Yo, what's up, guys? Memphis from the Snipers here, and today we're checking out the brand new track by the Pretty Wild titled "Sleepwalker." My brother recommended me this song earlier today, and he typically doesn't recommend me songs. So when he recommends me songs, normally they're probably pretty good. I mean, almost every song he sent me has been pretty good. So yeah, he said it was kind of similar to Event Anime, but yeah, let's see what they got here. That's a cool guitar tone. Oh, I've seen this somewhere. I think I've seen it on TikTok. Okay, this is cool, baby. Okay, interesting chorus. There's two vocalists in this. Okay, so there must be two vocalists. Damn, she's spitting. This is a cool video. It's kind of like a mix of a music video and a lyric video. I'm not sure how I'm feeling about the chorus though. Okay. Fucking whipping their ass now. Yeah, I think I've seen a part of that breakdown on TikTok, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, I think this chorus is a little weird. I mean, that was basically a music video, to be honest with you. I mean, there was definitely a lot going on there, but yeah, that was Sleepwalker by the Pretty Wild. Um, I'm gonna give that like a 8 out of 10. I think. It was super solid. The only thing I didn't really like was the chorus. I just thought it was, I don't know. I just thought it was really weird. Not that everything has to rhyme. It's just, I don't know. I didn't like it really. So, but other than that, the verses were really sick. I kind of like the way they kind of cohesively go together. One I can tell definitely sings more than the other, and the other one screams, but they both can kind of do both. I guess one's just better at a certain aspect of it than the other. Um, clean. I don't know which one of these ladies is the clean vocalist, but she was really good. I think there were some vocal layers on there, but even then, it sounded really good. And the screamer, like Jesus, the cough reminded me of what song was it? The River by Wage War. That's what that reminded me of. Going and then blah. But yeah, that was a super sick song. The riff at the beginning, it didn't get reused, but that was a really really cool riff. I don't know, I don't think it got used again. In terms of guitar work, that's what caught my eye the most was the intro riff. In terms of sounding like Invent Animate though, I don't think it sounded like Invent Animate that much. They kind of had their own sound a bit, except with it. I guess the instrumental being pretty more typical, but it still sounded pretty good. It sounded quite unique. Hold on a second, let me pause. All right, I'm back. But to finish the review, like I said, overall really good song. Very unique. Trying to make sure I'm going over what I already. Not that it'll work. I'm trying to make sure that I went over everything. Um, yeah, I didn't like the chorus. The verses was really really cool, especially the second verse where they were kind of singing together a little bit. Um, but the breakdown I didn't think was too crazy, but I did like the way they kind of put in like the call out and everything. That was very unique and cool. But yeah, I think the rest of my thoughts for this guys, and I'll catch y'all later.